Hey guys, it's Mike Tran, and today I have a special guest with me. It is Nicole.
Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Nguyen and I'm an actress, also a content creator too.
So today we're going to introduce you guys to something very special. It is probably the most popular Vietnamese street food of the entire country.
This is my childhood street food.
Oh yeah? It is mine too.
Really?
And we're talking no other than Vietnamese Bánh Tráng, the rice paper. Why are we so excited for rice paper? It's just plain and boring and has zero flavors.
No, we have to show everyone.
Exactly. With different ingredients and different sauces, you can create bánh tráng into very special dishes.
So, what are you waiting for?
Let's go get it.
Our first stop is Bánh Tráng Chị Hai, where they have all of the classic rice paper dishes. Though being a small food stand next to a middle school, Chị Hai has been here for the past
23 năm mấy thôi, bước qua năm thứ 24.
Cái gì hai đeo vàng là thấy uy tín rồi đó. Ủa mà sao hồi xưa cái mình chọn mình bán cái món này ta?
Bắt đầu ra thì chị Hai cũng bán bánh thì treo rồi nè, rồi mình tự chế biến mình làm nước chấm.
Chị Hai tự học luôn, tự học nghề,
tự mình
tự làm hết luôn.
Tự mình chế biến ra, tự mình làm. Rồi nghề nó dạy nghề mỗi ngày nó ngon hơn. Không biết ngày chị Hai bán 24-25 triệu một ngày đó. Trước dịch và sau dịch. Một ngày là hơn 25 triệu.
And right here at Bánh Tráng Chị Hai, so we try the three classic rice paper dishes. And right beside is a drink stand, so we order some strawberry syrups.
Con nói chiều nào đi học về là con cũng ăn chưa?
Tuổi thơ.
Giờ lần đầu tiên con ăn cái này luôn.
Anh có múc lên mình cái giày này đó, mình trộn như này đó, mình múc lên về mình ăn nè. Cái này rất là đẹp.
Con không có tuổi thơ rồi, bây giờ chưa được thử món này. I feel like we should start with the dessert.
Yeah.
Actually, I've never had this before, but she said this is a strawberry jam.
Yeah.
Yo, it's like the childhood favorite of everybody except myself because I don't have a childhood.
I think it's too sweet.
You think it's too sweet? I think it's damn too sweet. Oh my god. We should start with the basic of the basic first, which is just the plain bánh tráng, and we're gonna dip it into this beautiful looking dipping sauce right here.
It's really spicy.
Does it? Just a little bit? Look at how much I have here.
This, to be honest, really spicy. I know it.
The flavor is intense, I can tell you that. Very sour and salty and spicy at the same time. It's almost like a kick into your throat.
I have a memory about that one, you know, when I'm in high school, kiểu mình ăn lén á. Nên là để kiểu giáo viên không phát hiện nhưng mà the teacher always know cause like the kumquat, the smells really good.
It's really strong.
Yeah.
Giáo viên có phạt không?
No, em mời giáo viên ăn.
That's how you bribe the teacher, you know, kiểu hối lộ giáo viên.
Cô vẫn ghi lên em vô sổ bài.
Oh no, that's what she did?
Yeah.
No, she sucks.
Nhưng mà I don't care.
She took the bribery bánh tráng and then she still wrote you in. You can't hide anything from Vietnamese school teachers. You want to move on to the next one? Which one do you want to go for? Bánh tráng trộn or bánh tráng cuốn?
That's one. I love bánh tráng.
Cuốn?
Yeah.
I do love bánh tráng cuốn myself. Bánh tráng cuốn is actually my
Your favorite?
most favorite bánh tráng.
The rice paper will be rolled up with some eggs, topped with mayonnaise, peanuts and dried shallots, shredded sour mangoes, and coriander leaves.
The topping here is crazy though. Like you have pork chicharron and eggs and coriander leaves, a lot of mangoes, a lot of shredded mangoes on top.
I love bánh tráng cuốn more because like I love mayonnaise, Vietnamese mayonnaise.
I love mayonnaise. I would die for mayonnaise.
Well,
I would sacrifice for all the mayonnaise in the world, for the good of the mayonnaise. Okay, so that's how you do it?
Yeah.
Mangoes and some tráng.
Bánh tráng with the mango, kiểu hơi chua with bánh tráng and so you know the flavor is boom, just
Sure.
fire.
Cheers.
Cheers. Can't stop, right?
Okay. Once I start, I can't stop. So good. You guys hear that? The sound of crispiness. An explosion of flavors. The pork rinds is amazing. I love bắp mỡ with bánh tráng.
Ngon lắm.
It's a nice touch. Everything is very savory. Like you have a little bit of eggs and pork floss and I believe dry shrimp inside the bánh tráng cuốn, and then you got that fatty mayonnaise that you should always sacrifice yourself for.
Last but not least, we have the most popular version of Bánh Tráng, the Bánh Tráng trộn, aka mixed rice paper. The bánh tráng will be mixed with different toppings, sauces and spices to create this iconic street food dish that will take any Vietnamese person back to their childhood.
Bánh tráng trộn is like the final boss of the bánh tráng.
And bánh tráng trộn is best known for its jerky toppings. We got beef, squid, and even jerky that is made of cow's lungs.
And usually you want just like a chopstick full like this.
Yeah, oh my god.
And it's gonna send you to heaven. You ready?
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's go to heaven. Like I'm a kid. I'm a little Vietnamese kid roaming around the street eating bánh tráng trộn. Brings back so much memories, so many flavors in this thing. You got the sweet, salty, a lot of sweetness by the way from the sauce. You got the sour, the acidity from the mango, and then the egg to top it off. It's just beautiful.
I love it. Ah!
It's so good that she grabs her hand. Like you gotta do that every time you eat good food, you know? Every time you're at a restaurant, just clap your hand. Make sure the cook knows. Actually, now that the strawberry melts with the ice a little bit, it's not as sweet anymore, you know? Like now I feel a little bit less guilty drinking this.
We live in Vietnam, we can diet because the food is really good.
I know.
Mấy bạn á, nhờ ba nhờ mẹ đến mua. Về nó ăn nó nói không phải của dì Hai, con chỉ cho mẹ ở chỗ đó. Bà nào mà đeo vàng nhiều nhất á là...
When you travel to District 4 Ho Chi Minh City, be on the lookout for the lady who wears gold. Her rice paper will blow your mind.
We have so much food for leftover. Now we're gonna go to the next location.
Let's go.
Now we're on our way to look for a rice paper master to learn how to make our very own bánh tráng trộn. Legend has it that she lives in District 1, so that's where we're heading to. After crossing 5 rivers and climbing 3 mountains, we found a master.
Cô hay ngồi ở đây từ mấy giờ hả cô?
Cô ngồi đây từ 1 giờ trưa cô ra rồi.
First, we're gonna watch and learn. I have to remember which toppings to put in, how much of each, and the order is just as important.
Whoa. So here's what we're gonna do, right? I'm gonna mix the bánh tráng myself, and Nicole is gonna try the 2 different bags of bánh tráng, my bánh tráng and the owner's bánh tráng, to see which one she prefers. With that being said, let's give the owner's bánh tráng a taste test, because you always wanna try the masters, the original, beautiful. Let's go for it. It's a solid bag of bánh tráng. I think I can remember the process. I can remember the ingredients. I mean, they're all there in front of us. So, yeah, I think I can do this.
I'm really excited. Let's see.
Like, I'm shaking right now. I'm so nervous.
Your first time, right?
Yeah, my very first time making bánh tráng trộn. Like, I always want to do this as a kid. I feel like I have the power of the bánh tráng in my hand right now. You gotta go through all of the bánh tráng to see if it's too big. You gotta cut it up a little bit. Con qua được công đoạn 1 rồi. Each bánh tráng also come with a pack of satay and also muối tây ninh. It's like a special pink salt. The master says 2 packets of salt, so you gotta listen to her.
Thôi được rồi, như đó thôi.
That's it?
That's it.
I like it spicy, but if she's not happy, then it's over for me. Like, it's not about me anymore, it's about her. That's what the guy always say in a relationship. Like, it's not about me, it's about her.
No, it's about you.
It's about me. What are you talking about?
It's about you. Every voice from you.
For me?
Yeah.
I feel like it's like a scene from La La Land right now. Just a squirt of water to loosen the rice paper up a little bit.
Rồi, rưỡi nha.
That's it. Just a good squeeze of these, and it's gonna boost the flavor of everything. Oh my god, my hand is shaking right now. Like, I've never done this before in my life.
No, like, I'm praying for myself, you guys. Now you
I can do this for a living.
You have a new job.
I can do this. I can live with this. It's pretty fun. This is squid jerky, fried shrimp. Một muỗng thôi ạ.
Một muỗng thôi.
Next up, peanuts. Also a spoon of this. Trời.
Đó,
Okay.
vô.
Oh, rau răm luôn.
You're a master chef right now.
I am a master chef.
After seeing food vendors mixing rice paper in a bowl like this for many years, I finally get to do this. Let's see how it turns out.
So here's the important part. You gotta know how to flip the bag to let all of the bánh tráng inside without spilling. Can you hold the bowl for me?
Okay. I hope you can do it. Rồi, okay.
Not bad. I think I got like 80% of it. Wait. Slow. There we go. My very first bag of bánh tráng trộn. You should try like a big piece.
Okay.
with everything.
A little dry. Okay.
I'm kind of nervous.
It's from mine, and this is from Go.
Like presentation-wise, I think I'm already behind. But let's see the flavors.
I'm sorry. You can try yours.
Okay, I'm afraid to try mine now. People say that they love whatever they cook, right? Let's see if I like my creation. It's terrible. This is probably the worst bánh tráng I've ever had. I'm so sorry. Bánh tráng is the same everywhere. It's just a matter of technique. I was too cocky. I thought it was gonna be an easy thing to do. But it's actually not. Like it's just skills, guys.
And that's what I learned that day. No matter how easy things look, you always gotta stay humble. After all, humility is a virtue. At our last spot, we're gonna eat some bánh tráng nướng. This is yet another classic street food made of rice paper. Starting with a single sheet of bánh tráng, you can add any topping to your liking. And the topping selection here is just insane. From dry shrimp, pork, some quail eggs, to green onions, cheese and butter, and even salted egg yolk. After mixing it up, she will let the grill do the magic work. Finishing off with some mayonnaise and chili sauce, and the result is this piping hot crispy shell with melting toppings that you can smell from miles away. Now, I have a quick question for you.
Is this a pizza or is it a taco? Whatever it is damn good.
You want to try taco?
Like you got these very soft and flavorful ingredients on the inside and just a very, very crunchy shell on the outside.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I love this.
This is like a classic after-school snack right here.
Yeah, the texture, it's not too wet. Some place they make it's really wet and it's not crunchy anymore.
I think I like this as a pizza more. First of all, the presentation is there. You can see all of the ingredients and you can taste the ingredients better as well. Like with the taco, the ingredients kind of hide away a little bit. The bánh tráng is more present because there are two layers of bánh tráng that you gotta go through. You know how New Yorkers eat pizza?
No.
They would fold the pizza in half. So let me try doing that.
Let's see. Okay, and
Oh, there we go.
let's try.
I got a piece of Vietnamese New York pizza right here.
For me, she's the one of the place really good, and she have the sauce and the topping in here, so like the taste really different, and her man is really good.
We've been eating bánh tráng for like the whole day pretty much.
A lot of bánh tráng.
We had our bánh tráng and we made our own bánh tráng and we finished off with one of the best version of bánh tráng that we can find. That's it for this episode, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope you guys enjoyed the bánh tráng tour that we had today. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yay!